Hello and welcome to a short tutorial for Sketchup beginners on how to import JPEG and PNG and other images into Sketchup. So let's talk about why would you import an image. So first of all, maybe you want to trace something. So for example, you have a floor plan or drawings, but you don't have them in AutoCAD format and you only have an image of them. So what you can do is simply import image into SketchUp, and then using the line tool, you can simply trace all those lines and convert them into 3D model. And also just various other images you might want to import to make some paintings, objects, or you might want just to trace a logo, convert it into 3D, or just take some measurements and so on and so on. So what you do is you simply go to the file menu down here and select the import button. Now go to the place that you have that image stored, and here you have to select all supported image types. And now when you want to import it as an image and not as a texture, for example, brick texture or grass texture, you select this one, the image selection, and you simply click the image you want to import. Then you can click anywhere in any direction, but I will click at the 0 point, and you scale it like that. You can also change the scale of it later on using the scale tool. And as you can see, we now have an image imported into SketchUp. So what we can do now, for example, this is some sort of logo that needs to be turned into 3D object. So what we can do is simply go in there. I will do a very rough job now and simply trace all the shapes that we need. Let's say delete all the unnecessary lines, and, and boom. We have successfully imported an image into SketchUp, scaled it accordingly, and made it into a 3D object. So this workflow works for logos, for floor plans, as mentioned before, for anything that you need to do in SketchUp from an image. So if you need an image reference in your SketchUp model, this is the way to go. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like rating and don't forget to subscribe for more SketchUp tutorials for free. Thank you very much and bye.